In this video, I will take you through the process of configuring ConnectWise ticketing in the BDRSuite backup server. ConnectWise Manage is a third-party professional service automation tool. By integrating ConnectWise Manage with the BDRSuite backup server, you can effectively track and manage your BDRSuite tasks like backup, restore, and replication, along with their statuses directly from the ConnectWise Manage account. Tickets for these tasks will be automatically created in your ConnectWise Manage account and categorized under the relevant service boards. To begin the configuration process, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console, enter the username, password, and click Sign In. You can refer to the description box for videos on backup and recovery across various environments using the BDRSuite Backup Server. The first step in this process is to authenticate the ConnectWise Manage account. To do this, in the BDRSuite Backup Server, navigate to the Management tab and click on Credential Management. Now select the ConnectWise Manage option. This is the ConnectWise Manage authentication page. First, enter the site URL that you use to access the ConnectWise Manage login page. Then enter the company name or ID of your ConnectWise Manage account. Enter the ConnectWise Manage public key and the private key. To generate the public and private keys for integrating ConnectWise Manage with BDRSuite, log into your ConnectWise Manage account, navigate to System and click the Members option, select the desired member, and click on the plus sign and copy both the created keys immediately. The private key won't be viewable again. These keys are now ready for use in BDRSuite. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. The next step is the configuration. So, navigate to the Reports tab and click on ConnectWise Ticketing. This is the ConnectWise Manage Automated Ticketing page. Toggle the button to enable this option. Confirm by clicking on Yes, Enable. The company name or ID for each client under your ConnectWise account will be shown when you click on the drop-down menu, and you can select the desired company name or ID. And for each task listed, you can select the desired status, success, failed, or warning, and choose the corresponding service board where you want the tickets to be automatically created in your ConnectWise Manage Service dashboard. Once the configuration is done, you can click on Save. Let's see an example. We have created 3 service boards on the ConnectWise Manage account and have specifically allotted them for 3 different status. SB1 is for success, SB2 is for failure, and SB3 for warning. Whenever the selected tasks, restore in this case, succeed, a corresponding ticket will be created under Service Board SB1. When the selected tasks, all tasks in this case, fail, the tickets will be created under Service Board SB2. When the selected tasks, backup in this case, has a warning, a corresponding ticket will be created under Service Board SB3. All backup tasks and its statuses can be managed directly from the ConnectWise Manage account. That's it. Now it's your turn to try it out. And if you need any assistance, contact BDR Suite Support. Thanks for watching.